Okay, so before I get into the video on the giveaway, I just want to remind you guys that I have a Patreon account, and over there I have additional giveaways just for Patreons every month, and as well as if you're looking for things that I'll be selling. I know that I've put out some posts before on selling items. I think that my Patreon account would be a better place to post those, so if you're looking for those as well, check it out over there. Of course, things for sale aren't just going to be for Patreons. Of course, anyone can buy those, so those will be for sale over there. And now we'll get into the video. Okay, so this video is going to be the giveaway entry for the XING Motors from iFlight. I did a review on this a few weeks ago. They actually sell multiple kinds of sizes of this motor. I think 2206 to 2207, 2208, and 2306, and different KVs. So the winner will get to choose which one they want. There's only going to be one set of motors for the giveaway. And in order to qualify, you need to like this video, you need to be a subscriber, your subscriptions need to be public, and then you need to leave one comment down below, and only one comment. If you leave more than one comment, you'll be disqualified. The drawing will be at the end of January. The announcement video will be put out, so you need to make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss that video, because you only get 48 hours to claim your prize. If you don't claim your prize in 48 hours, the prize will go to someone else. And then the prize will be shipped sometime in the middle of February after the Chinese holiday. But that's it. So the rules are also going to be reiterated down below. Good luck, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.